So today we will make a game, uh, Pong game. Okay. So that's why we have to need a ball. Okay. So this is our ball. You can choose any of the ball. Okay, basketball, baseball, or ball. So for now, I choose the ball. Okay. So then I have to do that. Uh, I need a background. Okay. So I choose a background from the choose a background. Any of the background you can choose. I will choose the neon tenant. ठीक है? Okay. So now I want to move the ball around the edges. Okay. So we already know how to move the ball. Okay, from the previous one. So first of all, we have start to event when clicked. Okay. So take when clicked, then control forever. So what we have to do? We have to do move 10 steps forever. Okay. So now if we click here, then the ball will stop because when the ball touch the edge, the ball stopped. So I we need if on edge bounce. That's why the ball will be bounce from right to left, left to right. Now we have to move the ball in the direction 45 direction, 45 degree or another thing. Okay. So the ball will round and round. Okay. So we choose point in direction. So you can see that point in direction. Okay. Now if I put the point in direction after the when click and above the forever. Okay. Now I will set the point 45 degree. So that's why now if I click flag or go, then the ball will be round 45 degree. Okay. Do you understanding? Okay. If you understand, then you will also create this one. Okay. So the ball will touch the edge and go to 45-degree angle. Now we want to make this game Pong game by a paddle. So let's get a paddle sprite paddle. Okay. So this paddle will ensure that the ball don't touch the ground. Okay. So we have to create that the paddle will go right and left. Okay, by our code. So we will start our code for this paddle. So from start, when clicked, then we will take forever. Then we will take if is a condition. Okay. So when the paddle will go right, we have to give a condition. Okay. So we will take two if and set the if under the if. Okay, not the inner if. So if after if. Okay, then we will give a condition. So the condition will be here sensing. So if we press right arrow means if you can see there up, down, right and left arrow in your keyboard. Okay. So you can see right arrow, left arrow, up arrow and also down arrow. Do you see that? Okay, you can Okay, you can see your keyboard and go the shift, right shift. Do you find that right shift? Okay, I can see you by keyboard. Okay. Okay, online we can see keyboard image. Okay, here you can see that. Okay, so okay, this is right arrow, this is left arrow, this is up arrow, this is down arrow. Okay, so we give a condition that if we press right arrow, then the pedal move 10 steps right. Okay, so if you click here, when we press right, then the pedal go right. In the same way, we can choose left arrow. So one for right arrow, one for left arrow. So left arrow will be go left. So when we go left, then the number will be decreasing. So we will give here minus. Okay. So then if we press left arrow, then the pedal will go left, and when we press right arrow, then the pedal will go right. So could you do that? So first of all, we take a ball and give this code. When click, then point in direction 45 degree for river, move 10 steps. If on edge, bounce. Okay, this is for ball, and we choose the pedal and we code right here. When clicked for river, if key pressed right arrow. So when we press right arrow, then the pedal will go move 10 steps right. Okay. When we click left arrow, then the pedal will go left minus 10 steps. Okay. So could you do that? Okay. So now we have to do that when the ball will round and round 45-degree, move 10 steps if yes, we have to do another thing. So when the ball touch the pedal, okay, so we have to do that. First of all, we need when clicked in the same screen, okay, then control forever if, then sensing touch, when touch the pedal, okay, when touch the pedal, then the ball will be go 45-degree. Okay. Okay, so now we clicked the go button, then we have to see that the pedal can remove them. Okay, we can add a score also. So how to add score? Variable, make a variable score, score score, then set my variable above the forever and click score. Okay, then change my variable instead of score. Okay, so now if we click here, okay, তুমি যদি এখানে ক্লিক করো, if you click here, the game screen will be increase. Okay, now you can play here. When the touch paddle, then the score will be increased. Okay, so do you like that? Okay, the score will increasing. Okay, so we can also update this, but you have to do by your own for now. Okay,